Okay, so I'm going to do a little unboxing of my Candlescience package that I got today. And what is really cool is all of these were 99 cents. Here's my receipt to prove it. And this is the best time to buy Candlescience when they have all these samples on sale. So I'm just going to do a quick review as fast as I can. Okay, we're going to start with Coriander and Tonka. This is a very unique scent. It's very strong and spicy and sultry. Mix it with vanilla and it'll smell like butterscotch. This is Dragon's Blood, very popular. It's kind of orangey and patchouli. It has that tonka bean smell too that's very musky. This is Fraser Fir. Reminds me of a fresh tree, Christmas tree. It's great in a candle, fresh, clean and realistic. Cotton tea. It smells like laundry. It's not overpowering. I think it would be great in soap. Fallen leaves. It smells cozy. It's a solid autumn scent. It smells of apples and smoke. This is peach nectar. Smells like fresh peaches. It's very authentic. The mistletoe. It is very fragrant and a great Christmas scent. I think you can smell the pine and the cloves in it. This is Harvest Berry. It doesn't have great reviews, but I think it's probably because it's very cinnamony and not as berry-y. Library. Smells like Grandpa's aftershave, but has some leather in it. I really like it. And Margarita. Well, it's not as strong as I thought it would be, but I think it would be great to mix it with other things. Fruit slices, well, they smell like the actual fruit slice candy. This is Oak Moss and Amber. I really like this. I think that would be great in soap. It's kind of smooth and earthy. And we're moving on to Caribbean Teakwood. This one is very unique. It's sort of a spicy, woody scent. I love it. This is the maple bourbon apples. Maple bourbon. It smells really nice. I think it would be great in a candle. Moon Lake Musk. Smells like incense. And then here we got the fresh coffee. Smells like real coffee if you put your face in it. And I'm moving very quickly. Let's see what we got here. We have the garden mint. This one's not my favorite, but it's like fresh mint from your garden. Banana nut. This doesn't smell very great in the bottle, but guess what? It smells delicious in the candles. Yes, it does. Fresh linen odor eliminator. Get rid of those nasty odors with this lovely laundry smell. White tea and berries. Fresh and fruity. I think it would be great in a candle. Cedarwood vanilla. This one was not my favorite. I did not like it very much. Smelled bad. Okay, we're moving on to the cinnamon chai. This one had great reviews. And I think it would be a great Christmas candle. What are we doing here? Oh, frankincense and myrrh. Great stuff. Gifts for King Jesus. Okay, frosted juniper. Christmas scent. Smells good. Smells like they put frosting on an evergreen tree. This is my favorite, Black Sea. You should get this one and make soap. It smells so good and strong. I highly recommend it. Hibiscus palm. I don't know. It smells good. It's alright. Sandalwood. This is disgusting. I hated this. I love sandalwood, but that smelled rancid. Gingerbread. Smells like gingerbread. Smells really nice. I love it. And black cherry Merlot. That smells rich and delicious. Patchouli. Not my favorite. I mean, I like patchouli, but this one doesn't smell that great. White currant. It's okay. It's clean. I bought it again. Don't know why, because Thought it was just okay last time and still got it. This one I like. I'm going to make some soap out of this. I'm moving on. Amber Noir. I think this one might be one of my favorites. It smells a little bit like the Black Sea that I was just hooting about. Hansel and Gretel's house. That's another Christmas scent. Great candle making one. Whoa, I'm moving fast. Okay. I'm going to make my husband some soap out of that one. That smells really manly. Oh, we got here vanilla chestnut. I did not like that one at all. And we're still going so fast. Oh my goodness. More Black Sea. Yes, I got two. That was my bonus one. So we're going fast, Nagchampa. You know what? That stuff smells like real incense. This stuff is the real deal here, people. Sparkling grapefruit. Smells like grapefruit with a little bit of a little citrus extra zing. All right, what do we got here? Gardenia, something, I can't even see it. It smells sort of floral. Not that biggest fan about it, but it's all right. Okay, what do we got? Plumeria. Okay, I'm kind of digging this plumeria. I think I'm gonna make some soap out of it. Grapefruit and mint. Yeah, it's all right. Okay, now we're going on. What do you got? What we got? Fireside. You know what? I kind of like this. I think it would make a good candle. Very smoky. Peppermint and eucalyptus. Now, I'm kind of keen on the eucalyptus smells, so I'm good on that one. Pomegranate cider. Richly concentrated fruity goodness. We got rainwater. That's fresh and clean. I don't know. I mean, it might be boring. Strudel and spice. You know, come on. What can you say about strudel? It's awesome. Snickerdoodle. Definitely smell the cookie-ish partness going on in there. Himalayan bamboo. That's very fresh smelling. And then we got the hollyberry. Yes, Merry Christmas, everyone. Then moving on. Cypress and Bayberry. Smells good. All right, moving on. Uh-oh. I don't know. I'm behind. No. And yeah, that one smells like cotton candy. I mean, it does. And then we've got the strawberry guava. I'm not much of a fan of strawberry. People are saying great things about this, but I'm like, yeah, it smells like strawberry. And then last, this one. Guess what? It does have that chili smell. I'm on the fence about this one. Okay, I got these a couple months ago. Decided to add them. This is Cranberry Woods. Nice, strong cranberry fragrance. And we have the white tea. This one is a great spa scent, great for lotions. And this one is red currant. It's another rich, fruity smell. Then here in the bigger bottles, I have brandied pear. This one is sweet. You don't smell the pear so much, but it is very unique. The same with this one, cactus flower and jade, another unique scent. It has a very green and floral scent that's very strong in soap. Pralines, caramelized praline. This one didn't stick around very much in the soap, but it did make a really great candle. So that was a huge explosion of fragrance oils. I really enjoyed doing this video. These are my favorites. I had some that I really liked, some that I didn't like so much, but to be fair, a lot of these oils might not smell great from the bottle, but smell really great in a candle or soap. Overall, Candlescience does a great job and has quality oils.